Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about the course gradebook and how it automatically aggregates scores and feedbacks from activities with grades associated with it, and learners can view their own grades in individualized reports which protect the learner privacy. In order to view the course gradebook, what you're first going to want to do is enter a course. For this example, I'm entering the learning and development course I've created. And the next thing you're going to want to do is open the left-hand navigation panel. Next, you'll hit where it says grades below the content bank. And over here, you can see the list of all the enrolled users, as well as all the activities with associated grades within this course. And you can see the individual marks over here, as well as the course total. Your gradebook is easy to view in numerous ways. You can see the grade history of a particular student or a particular item. You can also get an overview report that will show when you select a user, you will see their report and which courses they're involved in, as well as their grade. You can also get a single view of each activity or user, as well as the user report. The gradebook is easy to set up, and you can do so in numerous ways to represent your marking style. You can add manual grade items. You can even add a category and sort your items with grades associated in a different way. It's very easy to set up, and even if you want to edit the letters and make it associate with just a pass and fail type of system, you can do so too. You're also able to import your grades and export your grades if you want to do any post formatting to them. That is also available to you.